So we're going to write our name, room, and grade on the back. That's always our first step. Then we're going to flip it to the front, and we are drawing vertical, so the short side of the paper should face your body. We're going to draw a big open mouth, an oval or a circle shape, actually the head, then we'll put the mouth on. So you can see I'm kind of drawing the size and space that this should take up. So we want it pretty big. You're gonna draw it nice and lightly. So kind of like an oval like that. I am drawing light, so hopefully you can see that. I'll draw it a little darker just so you can see it. But on your paper, you wanna draw lightly. So you can see that this is at the top portion of my paper. Then we're gonna do an upside down U. This will be the nose. And then you can erase where they attach. So you'll see how this is coming together here. Next, we're gonna draw another oval. This is actually going to be the mouth. So you can see this is the face, the nose, the mouth. We're gonna draw a straight line across to be our teeth. You can add some straight lines down to show those teeth. And then we're gonna draw a tongue shape. So kind of just like an arc and then another arc. So now you're starting to be able to see that we are looking at a person with their head tilted back and they're opening their mouth. So we can't really see their eyes because their head is tilted backward. Next, we're gonna do a backward C and a C on both sides. Those would be the ears. Next, we're gonna add a scarf down here so we can kind of do a half circle to start. Next, we're gonna come over here and come down and around and connect it. If you want stripes, you can add those in. If not, you could add a different pattern. Next, we're gonna draw the lines from the ends of the scarf. I'm gonna have it blowing in the wind, so it's kind of like a wavy line here, and then I'm gonna copy that and go off the edge of the paper. That helps our composition. And then another one going off the edge as well. That way it'll show the two pieces of the end of the scarf. Next, we're gonna draw the shirt. So we're gonna come down one on each side, and then come in. So they look like L's and backward L's. Then go ahead and come back up. These will be the sleeves of the shirt. Next, I'm going to take these lines for the shirt to just come straight down and off the bottom of the page. So you can decide what you would like on your shirt. You could do a word or you could do an image. So I'll put something on mine here. I'm gonna put a penguin on mine. So you can decide whatever you'd like to put on there. We also need to add our gloves. So we're just gonna come down and make kind of like a backward J and then add that thumb on. Again, over here, down and make a J and then add your thumb on. Next, when we add hair, we're going to go ahead and if it's long, you'll see it. Definitely if you have long hair, it can go somewhat like this and then just add some lines for the hair. For the boys, if your hair is shorter, or girls, if you have short hair, you might not see as much of the hair. So let's see how that goes. You could maybe just add some hair up here, right? We might just see some of the top of the hair, maybe a little bit at the bottom. So it depends on your hair length and style that you want to add in there. So that would be good for a boy's or a short haircut. Then we're going to add some horizon line down here with fluffy snow. So you can kind of do a sort of a cloudy, puffy line. This is going to be the snowy ground down here. Once you have finished your parts, we will be adding more, but we can go ahead and check with the teacher and then we will Sharpie with a mat, the thick Sharpie.